Shakas, aloha crafty friends, it's Maka from Makaz Home. I received some mail from Gina. Gina Loves to Craft here on YouTube. Oh, look at how cute. She's enclosed some goodies. Oh, how beautiful. It says Merry Christmas, sending loves and hugs and love. Happy New Year. Thank you, Gina. She enclosed some clear stamps. Let's check these out. Whoops. Oh, these are beautiful. With these flowers and then these stems, it just says best wishes, thank you, and this one says love and thanks. And they're made by Little Birdie. Nice. Thank you so much. And then also some dies. I wonder, I don't know, maybe they are the coordinating die? Maybe. If I can. Whoa. Let's see. There you go. Get them open. No, I think they're all just different dies. It looks like trees and clouds, so you could make a scene. Oh, how cool is that? Yeah, trees and clouds. Beautiful. So thank you, Gina. I appreciate it. Thanks for sharing some love. So I hope you guys are all having a crafty day. For more videos like these, see here. And until my next video, shakas. Doo-doo-doo.